IELTS essay question. Many supermarkets are selling more and more products that are imported from other countries instead of selling food that is locally sourced. What are the reasons for this? Is this a positive or negative development? The surge in supermarkets offering an increasing array of imported products over locally sourced food can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, globalization and enhanced trade networks have facilitated easier access to products from around the world. Supermarkets, aiming to cater to diverse consumer preferences, capitalize on this global connectivity to offer a wider variety of goods. For instance, a supermarket in the United States might feature exotic fruits from South America or spices from Asia, providing consumers with a rich tapestry of culinary options. Consumer demand for variety is another driving force behind this trend. Modern consumers, with increasingly diverse tastes and cultural influences, seek a broader selection of products. Supermarkets respond by importing goods to meet these demands, offering consumers an international culinary experience under one roof. Additionally, seasonal availability plays a crucial role. Some products may not be accessible locally throughout the year due to climate limitations. Supermarkets address this by importing goods to maintain a consistent supply, ensuring consumers can access desired products irrespective of local seasonal constraints. While the trend offers positive aspects such as diverse choices and year-round availability, it raises concerns. The dependence on imported goods may negatively impact local economies and diminish the significance of supporting indigenous agriculture. Furthermore, the environmental repercussions of long-distance transportation and potential loss of cultural identity pose challenges. Striking a balance between offering variety and supporting local economies is essential for ensuring a sustainable and inclusive approach to the evolving landscape of supermarket offerings. In conclusion, the rise of supermarkets prioritizing imported goods reflects globalization and consumer demand for variety. While offering diverse choices and year-round availability, concerns arise about its impact on local economies and the environment. Striking a balance between consumer preferences and supporting local industries is crucial for a sustainable and responsible food retail industry.